Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the roll dimensions and why it matters. Width and core affect feed and cutter alignment. Once done, check label face orientation and unwind direction, because feeding wrong side causes print errors. You then trim about 1/2 inch of any ragged edge for smooth feeding, and slide the roll onto the spindle so the core sits snug. Make sure the roll rotates freely, and the sensor sees the gap or black mark. This prevents misfeeds and wasted labels. You now configure the printer for accurate printing. Choose gap, notch, or black mark media because the sensor type must match the roll. Next, adjust print speed and darkness while setting margins. Slower speed and higher darkness give sharper prints on coated stickers. Once configured, run a 1 to 3 label test print to verify alignment and registration. If you need a peel and present workflow, enable peel mode. Otherwise, set cutter or continuous feed. Recalibrate the sensor when you change roll types. You finish by applying stickers with intent. Peel the liner at a shallow angle and press from center outward to avoid bubbles, and make sure surfaces are clean for good adhesion. Once labeled, store any unused roll in a dry, 20 degrees to 25 degrees C environment to preserve adhesive. If something goes wrong, like a jam or misalignment, stop printing, reverse feed slowly to clear the path, inspect the sensor and cutter for debris. Then reload and run a quick test print. This single troubleshooting step prevents repeated waste.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.